Hello everyone, mo din akong napili na problem sa trigonometric substitution, which is square root of a squared minus x squared over x squared dx, which is a is constant. So natin nakuha na rin ang x is equals to a sine theta, then ito dx is derivative sa a sine theta, which is a cosine theta d theta. Then ang equivalent ng a squared minus c squared is a squared minus x squared, which equals to a squared cosine squared theta. So then proceed na tayo na substitute is kaya na naman tayo x dx of a kani substitute na nato sa equation is equals to square root of a squared minus x squared, which is a squared cosine x squared, times a cosine theta over a squared sine squared theta x squared at x squared a sine theta, then x squared man, so mo ang a squared sine squared theta. Then sunod kay ato na siya na square root of a squared cosine theta is a cosine theta, then ato i-combine like terms, so mo nang may na siya a squared cosine theta, then over a squared sine squared theta, then cancel like terms, which equals to cosine squared and squared cosine squared theta over sine squared theta. So kanina siya kinano siya identities, which is kaning square root kaning integration of cotangent theta d theta, then kaning cotangent squared theta d theta kinagabon siya identities, which is 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta, then ato transpose ang 1, so mahimo siya negative cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta minus 1. Sunod ato na substitutes the integration of cosecant squared theta squared minus 1 d theta na ha, d theta, then so mana pwede na siya ma-integrate kay cosecant ang iwong niya na siya du is equals to integration of cosecant squared theta d theta minus the integration of 1 d theta is equals to negative cotangent theta minus theta plus c. Then natin simplify mo na siya is equals to negative cotangent theta minus theta plus c. So ang iyang value is equals to negative square root of a squared minus x squared over x minus arc sine x over